Hey guys, it is Sunday and it is a new week of What's for Dinner. Today we are going to be eating some beef and broccoli with some rice. The rice was left over from the fish the other night, and then Jared made some beef and broccoli and I got it from my Pinterest, so my Pinterest will be down below. Super simple recipe. It has steak, soy sauce, and it also has some broccoli in there, and it's a really good Chinese or Japanese recipe, so I encourage y'all to go and try this recipe out, and we will see you guys tomorrow. It is Monday, happy Monday, and we are having the grilled taco chicken. Jared actually just baked these. Now if you remember a couple of weeks ago, we had these and you literally only have to have a taco seasoning pack and then you either grill it or bake it, whichever you prefer. And then this concoction right here is what Jared and I made up. We wanted kind of like a corn salsa, but we found stuff that was in our refrigerator and our cabinet. So we had a can of corn, some black beans, and we chopped up some jalapenos, make it like a little corn casserole, corn salsa, something like that. But we seasoned it with paprika, black pepper, and Mrs. Dash, and then we just saute it in a pan, and this is what it looks like. Tasted pretty good, had a little sample, but so this is what we are having for Monday, and we will see you guys Tuesday. Hey guys, it's Tuesday, and it is a try and true recipe because I work late. So anytime you see breakfast, that means I worked until 7 p.m. and this is just a quick and easy dinner that my boyfriend can make for me while I am driving home, and it'll be ready for me. So we have a bagel with mayonnaise, cheese, spinach, bacon, and a fried egg in there. And super yummy, super easy. And I'm just going to eat this and head to bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Guys, it is Wednesday, and it has been a rough day. I was supposed to get off at 3, but I was on call, and I didn't get off until 5. Potentially, I will probably be going back to work at 7. So, had to pick up something real quick. It's McDonald's, of course. I got the hot and spicy. I always get that. And I got a large fry. I ate some of that on the way home. So, I was going to eat this real fast and probably wait until I get called in. So, that is all. And we will see you guys Thursday or possibly Friday. Thursday, I think I'm going to go to my friend's house. But I will see you then. Hey guys, it is Thursday, and as you can see, I did not go to my friend's house because I was working, didn't get home on time. So we cooked up some pasta, which was some stuff that was left in the pantry that we needed to cook up. Fried up some bacon, chopped that up. Then I sauteed some of that spicy shrimp that I always make, which is a tried and true recipe. Also, I made some homemade Alfredo sauce with heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, butter, and boiled that. So I just made a little pasta dish. Looks really good, smells really good, excited to eat it, and I will see you guys hopefully tomorrow. We do have a wedding on Friday, so maybe I'll just put in a little clip. If not, then I will see you guys Saturday. Hey guys, it is actually Sunday when I am doing this video. I could not video what I ate Saturday because I actually got called into work at 3 p.m. and I didn't get home until about 9, almost 10 o'clock. And I just went over to my boyfriend's sister's house and she had Pizza Hut there. So I literally just ate that really quick because I was starving because I did not eat since 11 yesterday. And yeah, so I was really hungry, but that's what we ate for Saturday was Pizza Hut. So I'm gonna end this video and I'm just gonna talk to you about the recipes that we ate this week. So the beef and broccoli with the rice or the cauliflower, it was really good. It's always a tried and true. Y'all should go and try that out. It will be in my Pinterest if you want to go and follow me. Taco chicken, it was actually really good. I think Jared kind of burnt it a little bit, but it was still good. And the corn salsa with the black beans was just something that we just made up what we had in our pantry, so it was still pretty good too. Tuesday I worked late, so we had breakfast And breakfast is a tried and true recipe. I love breakfast. I could eat it morning, noon, and night. So, then we had the spicy shrimp with that pasta and bacon bits. It was really something that we just came up because we needed to cook that pasta. We needed to cook the shrimp. Jared's just looking at me weird. That's why I keep on looking. And then we just cooked up some bacon that needed to be eaten. And so that was really good. We ate on that for 2 days. We ate it for lunch one day. So that was really good. But anyways, so I hope y'all enjoyed these What's for Dinner videos. Let me know down below if y'all enjoy it. Let me know if y'all do these kinds of videos also. And I will go and check you out because I like to get ideas from all of my subscribers and other subscribers that I am subscribed to their channels. I would love to get your ideas. I love to pick your brains. So anyways, I will see you guys later. Bye.